Before we dive in, I want to share a few tips that will help you get the most out of this course. None of these are complicated, but they make a big difference. First, give yourself enough time. Making pierogi isn't difficult, but it does take a bit of focus. I recommend setting aside at least 2 hours for your first batch, so you're not rushing or cutting corners. When you're not pressed for time, everything feels easier. The dough behaves better, sealing is less stressful, and the whole process is just more enjoyable. Second, keep your first batch simple. You don't need to try every filling right away. Pick the one you are most excited about and make a single batch from start to finish. That first successful batch is important. It builds confidence and gives you a feel for the process before you start experimenting. Third, use the course actively, not passively. I recommend watching all the lessons once, start to finish, just to get the full picture. Then, when you are actually making pierogi, come back and rewatch the specific lesson you're about to do. Rolling the dough, making the filling, and sealing, or cooking. That way, the instructions are fresh in your mind when you need them. And you don't have to rely on memory. If you follow these 3 ideas, giving yourself time, starting simple, and rewatching as you go, you'll have a much smoother experience and better results. In the next video, we'll walk through the course structure so you know exactly where everything lives and how to navigate it.